Monex company is pleased to welcome you and present the rail fastening wrench model NLB-500 for railway construction. NLB-500 wrench is designed for tightening and loosening slipper bolts, hook nuts and similar fasteners. Thanks to its two-stroke gasoline engine and light weight of only 18 kg, both vertical and horizontal fastening operations can be carried out with ease. Let's look at its main technical characteristics. First, gasoline engine, two-stroke, single cylinder and air-cooled. Speed 7,500 revolutions per minute. Power 1.42 kilowatts, spindle speed 800 revolutions per minute, rated torque at least 500 Newton meters and peak torque 1000 Newton meters. Dear customer, choose reliability and call us for more information. We are always happy to serve our clients.